Hey, so we tried, quiet. So we're gonna do some real Christmas wrapping with man's best friend. We got Zill ready to kill.
Kilimanjaro.
We got homie ready to shalomi. We're gonna try and wrap our doges. That's. What's your tactic? You're just gonna like round?
I am gonna go over top because she will not like her feet being on this.
Go down. No, you're ripping it. Okay. Papa. It's gonna be okay.
Lizzie.
No.
Come here. No. Oh no.
We're gonna get calls
You
from
sit?
PETA, dude.
What? Baby.
Yeah, I need you to stay. This is looking good.
Lizzie, lay down.
The hole for your foot.
I got you. Lizzie. Sit.
Okay, we're getting there. You look like a king,
You want
dude.
to eat? Right now. She's shaking.
Okay, homie. You're doing really good.
Liz, you were making this hard on me. Hey, come here.
For
You
once
want
in
the
my
favorite?
life, I'm
Come
actually
here.
proud of
Promise.
you. I've had this problem for a long time.
Here
We
you go,
are trying to
boo.
figure out who's cuter, my dog or Matt's dog. If you have not seen Matt's dog, it looks like this.
Ew.
And it's just not cuter. Like, look at this. Look at how cute this little man is. Oh, she's what about Liz? I cannot believe you were this chill right now.
Come here.
Are you just scared?
Hey, come here.
You look beautiful. Yeah, if you move, you're just for all the marbles. You cannot move during this last part.
Let's put your arm back through here.
No. Sit. Hold on.
Girl,
Now we must. Oh my gosh, he's so chill.
Good girl, Lizzie. No! Let's try again.
Okay. Stay. Oh my gosh. Stay. Good boy. Stay right there. Come on. Come on, you can break it.
No, Dad, I'm pretty.
Come on, you can go. Come on, you can go. You can move now.
Blanket. Oh, you're so beautiful. Don't mess it up, Liz. No.
We're going for it. Oh
There you
my
go.
gosh, she's shaking
There you
so
go.
bad. Let us know what the most cute type of dog is. We all know the answer. It's a pug. It's a pug and a rug.
You're doing so good, Liz.
How big is his body?
Uh-oh. Sit. Lay down.
You're Canadian.
Lizzie, roll over.
What?
Roll over.
Come here. Come here. Shake hands. Shake hands. Come on. Okay. You are not gonna like this. Hey, dummy, come here. Yeah, you. Box time. Look how pretty you are. Good job. I don't. He's not doing anything.
Good boy. Good
Oh.
girl.
You both fell off.
Good girl. Good job, Peanut.
Box homie. Okay, let us know in the chat who had the cuter Christmas pup present. Okay, here's a picture of homie, and here's a picture of Zill. Vote right now in the chat. Who is the cutest, festive, and jolly?
Oh my gosh.
They're not having a good time. So what you need to do right now is get them as many treats as you can to make up for this trauma we've induced on their lives. You're having the worst time. That's okay. See y'all later. There's a little pause.
Oh no! What are